Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We have a 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 263 BHSCKLE. I believe I pronounced all the letters correctly and all the numbers, so let's take a look at this. This is the brand new 22. It's got some cool new items on it. First one, and probably the most impressive, off-grid solar package. There's our panel. There's a solar panel mounted on the roof right from the factory. Power tongue jack, battery disconnect, pass-through storage, front storage with magnetic clips on the compartment doors. Just lock them in. There's our pass-through. 2 doors on the 263. One for the bedroom, one for the main entry. Solid entry step. We also have a camp kitchen. Ever-chill mini fridge. Griddle. Leash link. Tailgate storage system that folds down and you can put a couple 100 pounds back on there. It is prepped for an observation camera, so when you're going down the road you can see who's behind you. Power awning with multicolor LED light strips with a remote. Flash them, strobe them, different colors. Very cool. Alright, let's take a look inside. This is a bunkhouse unit. Sleeps up to 10. Got the double bunks in the rear with a ladder, lights, USB charging ports. Our shower area, skylight above the shower, U-shaped dinette that will fold down to a bed if needed, jackknife couch that will fold out to a bed, and cup holders, TV, fireplace that has multicolors on it, puts out heat, Bluetooth stereo system. This is your 10-volt GE refrigerator. 12 volt, I'm sorry. It's 10 cubic foot. Microwave, range, 3-burner cooktop with oven with LED accent lights, blue, farm sink, up here to the front with a bedroom, queen bed, overhead storage, charging ports and outlets on both sides of the bed. Once again, there's our entry door, exit door. Room for a TV, wall-mounted one. You can control all the lights with this one switch, but you can also control the lights over your bed with the touch control. So, kind of neat. There's also a full closet in the bedroom itself. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.